Hey guys, this is Robert and here's another package. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, inside we have a Fitbit HR cable, charging HR, sorry, and then the rubber that holds it together. I'm not even sure how you remove that. Okay, so I guess you stretch it around the top. So anyway, I see it. Oh, I'm going to move it somehow. See, split it over. Or does it go over the existing one? So instructions would be nice. Trial and error, I guess. I'll be leaving mine as the default because it matches. I guess it could go over. Just doing it right now. But it's kind of bulky, so I probably recommend that you take it off the original and put the new one on. I'm not going to do that here because I like it black. I like it to match. So yeah, so in terms of how many of these, quite a bit. All types of colors. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 different colors. Nice, these are all black. Different shades of black. Nope, all the same color. So 3 blacks. The rest are colors of the rainbow. And a little bit more. And then we have the, move it over. And we have the charger cable. I'll plug it in right now. Show you that it works. Here is my printer. Plug it in. It's about the same size as the original cable. And make sure you plug it in right. Once it's in, and you know it's charging, the lights disappear. So yeah, so far so good. Okay, so if you're interested in this product, the link will be in the description. So shop on Amazon and help support the channel. Other than that, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.